Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take ICT class for class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 5. We are going to continue reading chapter 5 today, and this is lecture number 10. There will be no homework for this class. Okay dear students, let's look at the chapter. We already started discussing this chapter in the previous class. Our topic is the use of internet in education. So let's continue our discussion today. Now you get the results of public examinations instantly by using the internet. It was unimaginable a few days ago. People living in the periphery would come to the city to collect it. Now it can be known just through a SMS or by a click of the mouse. So it's easy to get your results now. You don't need to travel to your institution to get results. Now the internet plays a very vital role not only in publishing results but also in completing the admission process quickly. So you can also get admitted to the institution of your choice through the internet. You are familiar with the registration process in universities through mobile phones. Similarly, thousands of students can complete their process by using the internet. At least 4 lakh students appear at the admission test of the National University of our country. Do you know that all of them use the internet for the exam? So nowadays, a huge number of students can enroll for the admission test through the internet. See, this is an example of a web portal for getting admission. Students want to have information about the institution before getting admission there. So at first you need to choose the institution where you want to get admitted. Once people would physically go there to collect the information, but now you can get the information of the institutions located in the furthest corner of the world by using the internet sitting in your home. So sitting in your home, you can inquire about different institutions in your own country and around the world as well. We have availed of many advantages of the technology, and very soon we are going to enjoy more facilities. Virtual classrooms are coming into being in our universities, and they will be interconnected with each other. When a teacher will teach in their classroom, not only the real students present there listen to them, but hundreds of students throughout the country will attend the class sitting in virtual classrooms. So, in another way, internet benefits education is virtual classrooms. You can attend virtual classes from your home through this system. Students of medical colleges will get the opportunity to watch a critical surgery from a long distance. So, in chapter 1, you read that doctors can prescribe for patients and diagnose disease from distance through the internet. And here you can see that students can learn also through the internet. Suppose they can watch the critical surgery of any renowned doctor through internet. A learner can watch a planet or a star of the remote galaxy through the telescope set on the peak of a mountain. Suppose there is a telescope set on the peak of a mountain somewhere. You can see that view through internet sitting in your home as well. A student can successfully accomplish an experiment of a modern lab sitting in his reading room. She can easily collect the book which is not available in the school library. So either it's a science experiment or it can be a book you don't have. You can avail all these things through the internet. Let's look at the next page. Next, we have searching academic information by using web browser. So let's see how you can find academic information in the internet. The internet is a big source of information. It contains information of almost all the subjects of the world, including education, sports, culture, religion, and so on. We can get valuable information of education. For example, system of education, way of education, curriculum, syllabus, etc., all by browsing the internet just. The information is kept in the internet arranging in different ways. One is written information, for example, information in the black and white. It has variety too. So information is stored in different ways, okay, and one form is written information, but it has variety too. Some websites have information that is direct and specific, such as Newton's laws of motion. Some websites facilitate explanations and examples of the laws. Besides, many subjects are available in the internet as video image format. When an expert explains an academic subject, it is recorded in the video camera and finally is uploaded in the video sharing site like YouTube. Okay, so when you are using the internet for information, you can find it in various forms. You can find it in written information, you can find pictures, or you can find videos as well. Anybody can either watch or download it. There are cartoons or animated films on academic subjects in some websites where the syllabus is explained through animations. So there are animations as well. Some sites provide facilities of asking questions, quiz competition, and even aptitude tests. So you can not only find information, but you can take different tests or you can ask questions to other people. In that way you can improve your skills more. Courses on different disciplines are available in the internet. Registering names in these courses, you can attend classes, and at the end of the course, sit for the examination. So you can take courses online as well. You can take courses from different universities from around the world, and you can also sit for the exam online. There are some sites in English language, such as www.coursera.org, www.allison.com, etc. These are some websites that offer online courses on different topics. Okay, dear students, this was today's lesson. See you in the next class, hopefully with more discussions. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.